Hi, my name is John. Welcome to yet another cooking on the shovel video. This time I'm going to do one of my all-time favourites, which is smoked haddock. I normally do it on the oven and poach it in milk, but I get wrong with the wife because she doesn't like the smell of it. So I brought it outside and I'm going to cook it on my shovel. The shovel is nice and warm now. It's been on those embers for quite a while. It's getting a real nice non-stick coating now. People get on about germs. There's no germs on there, that's hot. Any germs on there are long gone. A little drizzle of olive oil. It's on the hot side, but I'm sure it'll be alright. Nice even coat. Right, and it's on with the fish. Skin side down. This will not take long to cook on here. This is a really hot pan. 3 to 4 minutes aside is all this is going to need, if that. Oh, the smell's wonderful. I do like smoked fish. A bit of black pepper, freshly ground salt, not too much salt, just enough. Right, we'll turn the fillet over now. See, this will not take long to cook, not at this sort of temperature. A little bit more of the oil. A little bit of butter won't hurt, just so it's moist. This is looking really good, smells good. Look at that. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and bon appetit, bonny lad. Right, what's all the fuss about? That is absolutely superb. A real treat.